How much does a roof inspection cost? Most roofing inspections in the US average between $120 and $300. If you're in the New Brighton, Minnesota, or the Minnesota area, we actually offer free roofing inspections. We will go up and do a full roofing inspection. If it's an extremely steep roof, we will usually just do it with a drone. It all varies on, if you've had a recent storm. A lot of factors come into play versus us going up on the roof or using the drone to do a inspection. A roof should be inspected pretty often. It should be part of regular maintenance just to prevent things from further escalating. Typically, a roofing inspection will last between, depending on the size of the house or the roof, 10 to 30 minutes roughly. The bigger the roof is, the longer it's going to take. So it just all depends on, the size of your roof. Typically, we will inspect the interior and exterior of the roof, looking for missing flash. The material that uses the joints to prevent water damage. We also inspect ceilings, looking for cracks and leaks, fascia, gutters, drains, downwards, skylights, chimneys, vents. We check all that stuff just to make sure that there is no leaks going on there. So if you have received a hailstorm or any sort of extremely fast wind, it's good to get an inspection before things escalate. If you are in the Minnesota, Minneapolis area, St. Paul area, give us a call, 651-703-2336. You can also check out our website below the link in the description here. Thanks.